Today we'll be looking at a 9th generation Honda Civic Si. Don't forget to check the video description. I'll have links to everything that I'm using, and if you want to go to different sections of the tune-up, you can click on the links in there as well. Air filter replaced. We're going to pop off these clips on the top of the air box. And we're going to replace this air filter. We'll be able to close this system up once we're done. As you can see, this air filter is extremely dirty. You can tell because it has deposits on the side. It looks almost like charcoal. So that's how you know this thing needs to be replaced. And we're going to use a Fram Extra Guard. I use Fram products for the most part. Make sure it sits in there nicely. And then you just pop the air box top back on and you put the clips on. Cabin air filter replaced. So we're going to use Bosch instead of Fram just because for whatever reason I got a better price on this one. And you're going to open up the glove, and then on either side you're going to find something that you can push in to lower the glove box down. This is how you gain access to the cabin filter. Now you just basically pull it out, and you can see this is the original Honda cabin air filter. And you notice that the airflow is pointing down. So when you do the replacement, make sure that you put it in so that it's pointing the airflow down. And then you literally just slide it in. You're going to put the cover back on top. It's really that simple. Anybody can do this. There's no reason to pay anyone to do this. And you're done.